Guys, it's your girl Darwin, and today I'm gonna be doing something special for you all. My little sister work apparently at a sleepover with my cousin. We're sleeping over at her house. She's 19. Her name is Naika. And today we're gonna be showing you what happens when you melt gummy bears and how it tastes. So here's our melted gummy bear, and when I was taking out the microwave, I was dumb. It touched it, and this is what happened. Got a little burn. It hurts. But nice. Okay, let me put it under the light where you can see.
Darwin,
yes.
You gotta clean that thing.
Okay. This is how it looks like. It's red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Red, orange, yellow, green, clear. Red, orange, yellow, clear. Two rainbows, like two of each color, and then one of red, orange, yellow, clear. And it looks like this. Mix it up. Now time to taste it. It's so slimy. If you want to make it slime, just put corn flour in, or try with flour, and comment down below. Tell me how it was. And remember, follow my Snapchat on CoolDarter17. Follow my sister's Snapchat, CoolDie17, and follow my cousin's Snapchat in Naika Jean. Okay, go follow us right now. Link will be in this description below. And I have a shower cap on my head because having long hair isn't easy. What? Okay, now let's try it. Wait. Okay, let me try it. Nope.
Let me try. Is it actually like that? It looks like noodles. Let me see. I want to see.
Wait, that moves. This tastes absolutely delicious. Tastes even better than the regular gummy bears. Wait, let me devour some of this. Try time for my sister to try it. Now, come here. If you eat it, I'll give you $1. Now, just try it, please. Look, look, look. If I eat it, will you eat it? Look.
She didn't make it rain.
Wait. Okay, try it first and you eat it. If I am not recording. Just bite it. If you bite it, it will taste really good. Just try it, Dial. Dial. Come on, bite a little more. Bite a little more. Let me look like this. Look. Look, Dial, look.
It's sticking.
I'm gonna make this into slime. When the slime, you can't have none. Try it.
I did.
Okay, I got you. Bye, YouTube. Wait. Bye, YouTube. With my petty, ugly sister over here.